Good morning, everyone. I'm Kishan Shinde, pursuing my sixth semester, third year, engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, in the domain of computer science with artificial intelligence. So, my topic is hyperlinks in HTML. Hyperlinks. A hyperlink is a reference or an address to a resource on a web. So, if you wanted to access a resource in a website, those link can be given as a link in your website. So hyperlinks can point to any resource on the web, an HTML page, an image, a sound file, a movie, etc., etc., etc. The HTML anchor element A, that is A tag, is used to define both hyperlinks and anchors. We'll see more about it. Browser distinguishes between hyperlinks and a normal text. Appears in blue color, default color settings, and can be changed dynamically. Hypertext is underlined. When you mouse the cursor is placed over it, it will change into a hand. So whenever you create an hyperlink and paste it in your HTML file, it appears as in blue color and default color settings, that is default color settings of a blue color, and it could be changed dramatically, could be changed as however we want, and hypertext usually would be underlined. And whenever we take a mouse cursor on an hyperlink, before we click it, the mouse cursor would change into a hand. So let's see how the HTML tags are being used for hyperlink. Hyperlinking is done using a tag and a closing tag. It is an open and a closed tag. It contains a open and a closed tag. Syntax is a href, we given as URL link and link text and a close tag. Href is an reference we give it to HTML tag, which is used as a link to open an object, open a file or a resource. Link text is to display how this link should be. If we doesn't declare this link text, it doesn't matter. Still, the link would be available in an HTML page. If we give an link text, if we give an uh, if you give an text to a link text or an input to a link text, the link would be accessible using by the name we have been given to the link text. And this its a tag should be definitely be closed. If else, the link tag would be not run in the HTML. A text between opening and a closing a tag acts as a start and destination of a link. Just how I said, opening of an A tag and closing of an A tag acts as a start and destination of a link. href attribute specifies URL of a destination or a document or a web page or an image. Link to a web page on the World Wide Web, that is www, is given as a href given by HTTP, that is security protocol, with an URL link, that is www.global.info channel. Visiting Globo Info channel. Here the link http www.global.info channel is being assigned as a name, given it as visit global info channel in a page, where clicking on the visit global info channel will access to the global info channel there. You can see the you can see a example here. We visit to global info channel is being displayed. It is underlined, but the color has been dramatically changed as given there. If we press on this link, it takes us to the link given there. So we can see when we press on the visit global info channel, it takes us to the global info channel of the resource on a world wide web. Hyperlinks can be used to get an image, that is link an image by an image as a link. So the syntax is given as A href image2.jpg, image src, and image1.jpg enclosed. That is, we can link both the images by using a tag, that is hyperlink tag, and an image tag, which could be later read. But here we link image by image by giving a tag and an image tag. src is known as source, which is given as image 1, and image 2 is being given in the hypertext link, which is where these both images could be linked with each other. Link to a document located to different directory. This can be done by a href given D drive or whatever the drive it has with a link given in this. So here D drive active and abc.html. Here we are giving an abc.html file to a website or HTML page using an href link, that is hyperlink, and we have to close here. Close edge tag. Here, if we press on, click here, it takes us to abcd.html file, which is stored in D drive. So, link to a same page. What does this mean? A href and hash same page is given as, if we press on the words given as that this is a link. If you press on this link, it takes us to the same HTML page where we were. That is, this is the syntax of a text. A name, same page. You are in the same page. That is, if we give an link of an same page, it opens the same page again. Whatever the link it's been given, it opens it. So here, if we give an HTML, if we are given a HTML link, that is we are being working on the HTML file, the same link opens here. Link to different sections in a different documents. File a.html. File a.html is given as a href. File b.html hash different link. That is, it is accessed by different link. This is a link. So file b.html, we give it here as file name is equals to different diff link. You are on different page. So whenever we access this different link, it redirects us to the different link page where it says that you are on a different link. Link to a mail. We can use hyperlinks to link to it to mail by giving it as mail to email at id at host, whatever the email id we have been given here, giving it there, and giving the text as mail me. If you press on mail me, it directly takes the email id that is being given as an sender, and we could write an email to it. Example, ahref is equals to mail to abcd@gmail.com. So the text given as mail me. If you press on mail me, automatically it takes us to the mail where we send a mail to abcd@gmail.com. Thank you. That's all.